Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get keys in Subway Surfers. Here's how to get keys in Subway Surfers, quick and simple. Keys are earned in many ways, so make them part of your routine. Claim your daily and weekly rewards, complete missions and quests, higher tier missions give more keys, and open mystery boxes and event chests whenever they appear. Those often drop handful of keys, participate in limited time events, and the battle pass for bigger key rewards. Watch optional ads when available for small key bonuses, or purchase key bundles via your link store payment if you want instant supplies. Remember to link your account so purchases and progress saved, and never use cheats like changing your device state, set wristbands, play regularly, chase higher level mission rewards, and you'll steadily stack up keys. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.